Edgardo Javier Angara, September 24, 1934, May 13, 2018, was a Filipino lawyer and politician who served as Senate President from 1993 to 1995. Angara had the second longest tenure in the history of the Senate, serving for terms and a total of 23 years. As a legislator, Angara has championed numerous important laws and bills, including the Free High School Law, the Senior Citizen Discount Law, and many more. In between his Senate stints, Angara also served as Secretary of Agriculture from 1999 to 2001 and also held other government positions briefly. Outside politics, Angara served as the president of the University of the Philippines and also established himself as one of the most important figures in the bar when he was elected president of the Philippine Bar Association, the nation's oldest voluntary bar society. In 1975, he also served as president of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, IB, the country's unified association of lawyers. His leadership was acknowledged even on a global scale. He was chosen to serve as the first president of the largest regional legal association in the world, the Association of Southeast Asian Countries ASEAN Law Association, when it was founded in 1980. On May 17, 2017, President Rodrigo Duterte appointed Angara as the special envoy of the Philippines to the European Union. Edgardo Angara was born on September 24, 1934, in Baler, then part of the sub-province of Aurora in Tayabas, now Quezon to Juan Angara and Juana Javier. He earned his law degree from the University of the Philippines in 1958. While in university, he joined the Sigma Rho fraternity. Upon graduation, he was elected to the Pi Gamma Mu and Phi Kappa Phi International Honor Societies. He earned his LLM from the University of Michigan Law School in 1964. Angara was a delegate to the 1971 Constitutional Convention representing the 1st District of Quezon. In May 1972, he, together with classmates and fraternity brothers from Sigma Rho, from the UP College of Law and Juan Ponce Enrile, founded the Accra Law Offices, which became the country's most recognized and prestigious law firm in less than a decade. He became president of the Philippine Bar Association from 1975 to 1976, and of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines from 1979 to 1981. He also founded the ASEAN Law Association and became its founding president from 1980 to 1981. From 1981 to 1987, Angara became president of the University of the Philippines. He rallied alumni in the country and abroad to pool their resources for various projects to mark the university's Diamond Jubilee in 1983, including the creation of additional professorial chairs and faculty grants. Through his efforts, the liberal arts curriculum was strengthened, a 7-year honors medical curriculum installed, humanities and science were energized, and a multi-campus university organization was instituted. He defended the state university's tradition of dissent and fiscal autonomy while maintaining its reputation for academic excellence. He established stronger links with the business community and alumni organizations, raising the biggest faculty endowment in the university. Edgardo Angara died from an apparent heart attack on May 13, 2018. At the age of 83, Angara's necrological services were conducted in the Senate halls on the morning of May 16th. His former Senate colleagues such as Sen. Wigberto Tanada attended his funeral, while others such as Rene Sagaizag, Piake Etano, Nene Pimentel, and former presidents Gloria Macapagal Arroyo and Joseph Estrada gave eulogies to Angara. President Rodrigo Duterte and Vice President Leni Robredo visited Angara's funeral in the Heritage Park in Taguig. His remains were buried in his hometown of Baler, Aurora. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.